That is the all-new hardware generation of the POPP. It has a completely new, wide, flat and elegant design. On the backside of the POPP is a USB port available. With that USB port, it is possible to add other wireless or smart home protocols like in Ocean. Besides the integrated Wi-Fi, the POPP can also be connected to a common Ethernet cable. The mounting plate is made to mount the POPP to the wall. If it is required, it can also be used as a tamper protection. In the case the POPP is unmounted, you can receive a message to your Z-Wave smart home system. Within the box, there is also a USB charging cable to connect the POPP to the power. Furthermore, you will find some screws for mounting the POPP to the wall. If you have a USB port available at your PC or laptop, you can connect your POPP to it. As an alternative, you can just use the within-shipped USB charger. And that's how you configure the POPP. Connect it to the power like shown before. Afterwards, you have to wait for a moment. The successful booting is shown by 3 white LEDs underneath the POPP. If those LEDs blink permanently, you can start with the actual setup. The POPP is now visible as a Wi-Fi hotspot, so you can connect to it with your tablet, notebook or PC. The Wi-Fi of the hub is obviously protected by a password. You can find the individual key on the underside of the POPP. The direct Wi-Fi connection to the POPP is also good for the increasing safety. In the next step, you will also set your own personal password. That secures that no other user can read along or pick up your password. The web user interface of the POPP can be reached over a common browser like Chrome or Firefox. Just type in the IP address 192.168.1.1. In the first mask of the configuration, you can set your own personal password now, as well as an email address. If you may forget your password, you can reset the password with this email address. Your POPP already has an own smart home ID. With the help of the smart home ID, you can even access your smart home via a browser or free iOS or Android app from your smartphone. If you want to connect your POPP to your own local network, you can do that without any issues. The easiest way is to connect the POPP with an Ethernet cable to your router. Now you access the POPP over find.popp.eu. For that, the smart home ID is required. In our next step, we will connect the first Z-Wave device. We can reach the configuration menu now. You will find it in the right corner of the user interface. Here you will find the menu point Devices. Press the button Auto Connect now and the POPP starts the learning mode. Now you have to set the other Z-Wave device into the learning mode, so both devices can connect with each other. Well done! Now every single function of the device has an own element in the user interface. You can change the name of them and assign them to specific rooms. If you haven't created the right rooms yet, you can simply do that in this configuration mask. Now the plug can be switched randomly. You can use a PC, tablet or laptop for it. You can use the browser or smartphone app or just automate it with scenes. With us, your home becomes smart. POPP, pioneering smart homes.